Here's a stupid easy side hustle that even a 9-year-old kid can do. First, go over to Textbroker.com. Textbroker will literally pay you 5 cents for every single word that you write. So that's $1,000 for every 20,000 words that you write personally. But don't worry, we're not going to be writing those words ourselves. Once you get chosen for a job, head over to ChatGPT and tell it to write a 20,000 word response on the topic at hand. Continue to hit regenerate response until you get all 20,000 words written. Once it's done, copy and paste it into a Google Doc so that you can use a website like Grammarly to do all of the spelling and error checks for you. Now here's a bonus hack. To make sure that no one finds out that we didn't actually personally write this, head over to wordai.com and copy and paste your response directly in. This will make it sound more human-like and it won't get detected as being AI. Now, if you don't want to write all of these jobs, I personally make over $1 million every single year doing something that some of the biggest brands in the world have been doing for decades.